Hi, Daryl Sangster here from the Sangster Franchise Group. I was reminded the other day that LinkedIn is an amazing source for lead generation and finding prospects when it comes to expanding your franchise. So I wanted to quickly take a second and say, if you're not using LinkedIn to prospect and filter and search for and communicate with prospective franchisees, you are certainly missing the boat on a free resource that can benefit your franchise in immense ways. So if you're interested in having a chat with me about how you can actually tap into LinkedIn as a franchise lead generation source and all the strategies behind that, and it's not hard to do, please pick up the phone, give me a shout. You can find me at sangsterfranchisegroup.com, or you can Google Daryl Sangster, or you can find me on LinkedIn. Hope you're having an amazing day. Cheers.